Hello, everybody. It's Mrs. Leek again. This week, we're going to be working on OO. Now, you might remember last week, we worked on many sounds, but one of them was OO. And if you remember from last week, the sound that we worked on was ooh, like in boot, ooh. This week, it's going to be a little bit different. This week, OO is going to make like in cook. Like right here, that's what this man's doing. He's a cook. So everybody say it with me. O says O says Fabulous. Just like here. O in cook. Oh, you can also say as well. So let's blend this together. What sound does this make? Then this, then this. What's the whole word? Foot. Excellent. We're going to go ahead and blend all these words. Again, as always, I want you to do this on your own at home without me. I will help you to make sure that you are blending it correctly, but you're going to do it on your own, and I want to hear you, okay? Ready? Let's start with this one. Go ahead. Book. Remember, the O work together, so they only make one sound. Let's do this one. Took. Look. Good. Hood. Wood. Let's go to line number 2. Hook. Shook. Foot. Nook. Stood. Brook. Woof. Soot. Crook. Cooked. Now you may have realized this was a suffix here. Again, this is a suffix here. So what is this suffix? Ing. So we already know the end says ing, so let's just blend this first part. Look. So what's the whole word? Looking. Excellent. Right here, there's a suffix as well, what is it? Hook. I'm sorry, I just told you the word. That was silly. But what is the suffix? Excellent. So let's go ahead. Hooked. Excellent. Now, all of these have a suffix, or they might be compound words, but all of them have the sound somewhere. So if it's 2 syllables, we're going to blend the first syllable first. Wood, wooden. Wool, in. What's the word? Okay, let's blend this first syllable. Cook, add IE. What's the word? Cookie. Let's blend this first syllable. Rook, add IE. What's the word? Rookie. Excellent. Let's look at this first syllable. What's the word? Good. Add IES. What's the word? Goodies. Excellent. Let's blend this first part. What word? Wool. Add LY. What does it become? Woolly. So what we're going to do here, these are all compound words. We're going to read the first part, then the second part. The first syllable, then the second syllable. What's the first syllable? Cook. Second syllable. Book. What's the word? Cookbook. Okay. What's the first syllable here? Book. Second syllable. Shelf. What's the word? Bookshelf. First syllable. Second syllable, whole word. Football. First syllable, second syllable, whole word. Firewood. First syllable. Actually, this is 3 syllables. First syllable, second, third. What's the word? Overlook. First syllable, second syllable, whole word. Cookout. Okay, this one has a prefix. What's the prefix? Un. It also has a suffix. What's the suffix? Excellent. So what's this whole word? Uncooked. What's the prefix? Root word? Mistook. Root word? Suffix? Whole word. Goodness. First syllable? Second syllable? Whole word. Footprint. First syllable? Second syllable? Whole word. Fishhook. First syllable? Second syllable? Whole word. Woodland. Excellent. Now, I'm just going to give you a second to go ahead and blend each word. Look for the root words. Look for suffixes or maybe other words you know. So let's look at this first one. What word? Crookedly. Let's look at the second one. What word? Understood. Now this ing, it looks like there's a space. It's not supposed to. It's supposed to be one big word right here. What word? Neighborhood. This is right here. What word? Sooty. What word? Footstool. What word? Booked. Read number 8 in your head, please. Or out loud, since we're not in class, you can read it out loud too. Let's read it as a class. Father will buy me a good cookie. Now read it as fluently as you can. Excellent. Read number 9 in your head or out loud. Let's read this together. I stirred the soupy mixture with a wooden spoon. Now read it as fluently as you can. Excellent. You'll notice tomorrow you're going to be doing a sort, just like we have been every Tuesday. And you're going to be looking for words that have different sounds, but they all have O-O. So again, that's the oo like in boot or the like in cook. Okay, you guys all have a great day. Miss you very much.